Prominent constitutional law, Thabani Mpofu has urged opposition leader NACHAMISA to treat cautiously in his engagement with certain segments of his support base, particularly those who may not be ideologically aligned with him but still support his political rise as a means to unseat ZANU-PF. Sarabna mashoko toka panapa na Thabani Mpofu urging Chamisa to embrace conditional supporters for electoral success. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. TV now knows in a detailed commentary posted on X, Mpofu, who is also Chamisa's popular lawyer, highlighted what he described as a strategically important constituency within Chamisa's broader support network. Voters are driven less by personal loyalty and more by a shared desire to end decades of ZANU-PF rule. These supporters, he said, often stem from the middle class and elite circles groups that possesses greater access to information, influence, and political leverage. In quotes, from a rational choice perspective, the Zimbabweans engaged in a calculated form of instrumental support. They do not embrace Chamisa uncritically, but rather view him as the most viable alternative to the incumbent regime, Mpofu stated. Their political engagement is thus characterized by conditional loyalty, tempered by skepticism, born from repeated disappointments with opposition politics over time. This manifests in a cautious, sometimes cynical posture, often expressed through a retrospective "I told you so" attitude when opposition efforts falter. Such responses can be interpreted as coping mechanisms that help manage political disillusionment while preserving hope for systemic change. Mpofu stated that while such supporters may not rally behind Chamisa with emotional fervor, they view him as the most viable alternative in a political system they perceive as skewed. Their support, according to Mpofu, is rational, strategic, and contingent on Chamisa's ability to maintain credibility and inspire confidence in opposition politics. Mpofu warned that dismissing or alternating this constituency would be a strategic error. They are rational actors who desire change yet remain sensitive to political setbacks. Unlike the masses, they have options beyond political change, he explained. Mpofu further stated that misunderstanding the nuance of this support base was critical for building inclusive, broad-based coalitions. Doma shukanota panapa na Thabani Mpofu aya wachipa advice kuna advocate nelsonchamisa pena kuma section yedu zamafundo enyimotuli pamusoro pechitwichi pena kuma section yedu subscribe or like on the bell icon.